So I'll take a few minutes because I have so many relationships and so many things to talk about. But in 2014, when I was given this responsibility along with Sanjay, we had made it known that we will do this for 2 terms and no more. So for the last 1.5 years, both of us have been actively working on ensuring this transition. And now our work is done. So for me, VHPA has been a great teacher. It has helped me grow as a person, and that is why I love this organization. As Gaurang Bhai always says, VHPA is a one-way trap. You enter it, but you can never leave. So parting thoughts make no sense. We are not going anywhere, as Hansa and Kumarji said, right? We will only change roles and continue to serve the Hindu community in other ways. But for today, I would like to share a few thoughts in the wake of the enlightening discussions we had yesterday. Thoughts that I hope will be helpful for all those who love and work for VHPA and the Hindu community. So, there is a term that is used often to identify us, Bharat Vasi, residents of Bharat. It ties us to a geographical region that is Bharat. But that is not a term that we can use for us in America. There is another beautiful term, Bharat Vanshi, the descendants of Bharat. That term ties us to a people, to a great ancestry and their history. That is our identity. So, knowing and using the correct terminology is very critical. Taking this thought a little further, what did the Bharatvanshis do? They created the greatest, longest lasting civilization that lives till today, the Hindu civilization. So now the question comes, what is Hindu? So the word Hindu is a civilizational term. It refers to Hindu Sanskriti, Hindu Sabhyata. And a related word is Dharma, which is much deeper and a bigger term that goes beyond the civilization. We cannot go into that today, someday. But Dharma includes religious practices as a subset. Utsav referred to some of this yesterday. Hindus are those who believe, practice, or respect the spiritual and religious principles and practices having roots in Bharat. Thus, Hindus include Shaivas, Vaishnavas, Smartas, Shaktas, Jains, Bauddhas, Sikhs, and many people of many different sects within the Hindu ethos. So, what does all this have to do with VHPA? Being Bharat Vanshis, the founders of VHPA built this organization on an adhyatmic, philosophical foundation base. VHPA does not subscribe to a specific Swami or a Guru. It draws inspiration from the words of the rishis directly. Isha Vasyam Midam Sarvam. There is only Ishvara. Everything else is his manifestation. Ekam Sat Vipraha Bahuda Vatanti. Truth is one. Sages speak of it variously. Sarve bhavantu sukhina. May all be happy. In the universe, things we can see, things we cannot see. Vasudeva Kutumbakam, the entire cosmos, is interconnected and interdependent as one family. These values and principles are priceless and universal. They must be passed on to the next generation, and that is our responsibility. And as a part of this heritage, the rishis bequeathed to us the requisite tools and methods. They asked us to understand the distinction between chintan and chinta. Think deep and do not worry. Ishvara is with you. Let our actions be rooted in contemplation, dharma, and inner strength, and not be driven by fear and external threats. This is what guides and should guide VHPA's work. The secret here is that everyone should live the inner spiritual consciousness. And that means attunement with energy, intelligence, and happiness in our daily life. Hindus should have a Hindu way of life. In the West, all emphasis is given on the objective aspects of life. While for Hindus, the primary emphasis is on the subjective aspect of life. In the West, we get all accessories together and all means of performance and then perform action. In the Hindu tradition, the actor, which is me or you, is made great, infinitely great, and only then he is ready to launch upon action, or she is ready to launch upon action. This is the basis of Hindu life. And ever since we forgot how to be yogastha, ever since we forgot how to take our attention deep within ourselves, our life has become weak, and sadly weak at all levels. Another important aspect of VHPA work is balance. Bhagwan Sri Krishna asks us to maintain balance. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Equanimity, inner equilibrium in victory or defeat. Yoga karma su kaushalam, meaning yoga is skill in action. And finally, yogastha kuru karmani, how to perform action by being yogastha. Let the mind be brought to union with the self within, to the level of infinite energy and intelligence, and then perform action. Do less and accomplish more is the formula for yogastha kuru karmani. Pull the arrow and release. And we may pull only 6 inches for the arrow to fly without effort 1 mile. These are 2 important principles we should apply as we work for VHP of America. There are many great organizations in our community, but VHPA stands apart because of the feeling, the bhavana with which it works. It is the only organization that embraces all sampradayas as its own. All swamis, all gurus, all ashrams, all temples as its own. And it regards all the 1.3 billion Hindus across the world as one, Bharat Vanshis. Remember, our field of action, Karyakshetra, is USA. And we need to focus our energies in serving, nurturing the Hindu community in this country. To connect is the essence of our work. We bring together people of all colors, all hues, and from all regions. We work with the children, families, elders, dharma gurus, and institutions. And above all, we care and respect Mother Nature. As we work, be mindful that each atom in the universe has a place. Everything, every person has a unique place and value. That is why we treat all material objects with utmost respect. कागज को पैर नहीं लगाने देते, पत्थर को भी ठोकर नहीं मारते. The practice of respecting others essentially means treating all things as if they were you. When we care for the next person, we feel valuable to others and become part of a community. And that is the true meaning of Hindutva. We were discussing this yesterday. We do not respect because we get something in return, but because it helps us grow. Eventually, we respect for no reason, but just because that is who we are. Vishwa Hindu Parishad is an organization that teaches and lives these values of respecting each other and leaving the world a better place than we found it. I will leave you with one important challenge. VHPA's focus is on the family, the atomic element of our society, our civilization. If the unit of family falls apart, the civilization falls apart. That is the biggest civilizational threat that we face today, from within and without. Finally, at the World Hindu Congress, we gave a mantra. I wonder how many of us remember it. Sumantrite, Suvikrante. Think collectively and act valiantly. That is what we do in VHPA. And that especially is what we do at the GC meeting. That is the purpose of the GC meeting. And I hope you carry this thought with you. Have fun, be happy, grow as an individual and as an organization. Namaste.